Hi all, welcome to podcast series of MIT College of Railway Engineering and Research. आजच्या आपल्या या पॉडकास्ट सिरीजमध्ये आजचे स्पेशल गेस्ट आहेत प्रोफेसर सतीश माळी सर, प्रोफेसर अभिजित पवार सर फ्रॉम MIT कॉलेज ऑफ रेल्वे इंजिनिअरिंग अँड रिसर्च. आजच्या या पॉडकास्ट सिरीजमध्ये आज आपण वी विल बी इंटरेस्टेड टू गेन अन ॲडिशनल नॉलेज specifically for the students who are interested to take the admission in engineering for the coming year. We'll talk about the admission process, we'll talk about the academics at the MITCORER, we'll talk about the placements at the MITCORER, etc. So that the students who are aspiring to become an engineer, they'll gain the more and more knowledge about it. So our today's podcast is admissions at MITCORER. I heartily welcome Professor Satish Mali sir, Professor Abhijit Pawar sir. I'll go with an first question to the Satish Mali sir. Sir, we are interested to understand the academics of the MITCORER. Can you share or highlight on the same?
Sure, sir. At MITCORER, we are focusing on giving the students a strong foundation in engineering. So, while preparing them for the real world challenges, our teaching combines with theory with practical learning. So, students can apply what they learn in the class to the real life challenges. So, for example, in Electronics and Telecommunication department, we have modern equipped lab with the tools for the IoT embedded system, for the microcontroller applications and the communication and technology. We also work closely with the companies so that we will give the students the hands-on experience through the internships and the projects.
Great, sir. Now I just wanted to understand from sir you as well, how exactly the mechanical and rail engineering department is unique comparatively the other engineering colleges, because I come to know that MITCORER offering this year mechanical and rail engineering course from the this coming year.
Thank you for inviting us for this podcast series. So as we all know, MIT group is always known for academics. So I can say same about the mechanical department. Our mechanical engineering department is having well experienced faculty which have completed their UG, PG in well-known universities from India. Also, some faculties have completed their PhD from well-known universities in India. I can say some of the faculties, 2 to 3 faculties are pursuing their PhD from well-known universities in India, and upcoming 2 to 3 years or 1 to 2 years they are going to complete their PhD.
Right.
Academics is the mostly dependent on the laboratories and the theory practicals. So I can say mechanical department is well equipped with the laboratories. I can name some of the laboratories like thermodynamics lab, theory of machines lab, manufacturing processor lab, metrology lab. All laboratories are well equipped and they are having experiments which are given by the universities. Student can learn and experiment all the experiments. About the laboratories, all laboratories are well equipped. Same with workshop. Our workshop is having machine shop, welding shop, carpentry shop, fitting shop. In machine shop, I can say we are having 25 lathe machines, 2 milling machines, 1 radial drilling machine.
Okay.
In welding shop, we are having spot welding machine, arc welding machine, CO2 welding machine, which meets the requirement of industry. So where our students are experimenting or making some projects, mini projects, our faculties always encourage our students to select their projects which solve the real world problems. As we know, in academic, our college name is MIT College of Railway Engineering and Research. So most of the students have their projects in the railway sector, like higher separation mechanism in railways, QR code shunting mechanism in railways, track fracture detection in railways. So these are the projects, and I am very proud to say one of the students, Mr. Pawar, got recognition for our ex-governor, Mr. Bhagat Singh Koshari sir, in Raj Bhavan, Mumbai.
Wow, great. So I also come to know that this year, as you know, that the mechanical and rail engineering is going to start. But before starting the BTech degree in mechanical and engineering, we have set up of the railway model as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We are having a railway model route.
Okay.
Which is, we can say that 1:13 scale ratio.
Oh.
Which is actual prototype of Indian Railway.
Wow, great.
We have interactions with railway officials. They have shared some information about the how miniature model will be prepared.
Okay.
And they appreciated our railway model room, and many companies which supplies the goods or which supplies the parts to Indian Railways, they are also having our railway model room in their company, like Cummins.
Oh, great. Now, as you know that the both professor has explained really well how exactly the academics under our MITCORER. Now we'll talk about the admission process, how students can take admission in MITCORER. I request Professor Mali sir, can you elaborate the admission process at MITCORER, please sir?
Sure, sir. At MITCORER, admissions are open for the academic year 25-26 for the 5 branches such as Computer Science and Engineering, Electronics Telecommunication Engineering, Electronics and Computer Engineering, Civil Engineering, and the Mechanical and the Rail Engineering.
Okay.
So here I am proudly tell you that our MITCORER is the first and only one college among the all Maharashtra which one is having this Mechanical and Rail Engineering.
Great, sir.
And that branch is started from this academic year 25-26. So for the admission, for the engineering admission, the student must have passed the 10+2 educations, that is the HSC Science with the Physics, Chemistry and the Mathematics, with minimum 45% marks for the open category and 40% marks for the reserve category. Along with this, the student must have a valid score in the CET as well as the CET or the JEE.
Okay.
So after that one, so engineering process starts and student must have applied for the online application form. After that one, so as per the DTE schedule, so after application of the online application form, a provisional merit list will be displayed, and after provisional merit list, a final merit list will be displayed. So after that provisional merit, final merit list, the student must know, students will get know, so his merit number from the according to his category, all whether that might be in open home university or the other than home university. So according to the category, the students will get his merit number, and after that one, the cap 1 process will start.
Okay.
The student must apply for the online application form for that cap 1 process. So student must enter minimum one option, and the maximum 300 options are there. So while selecting that option, students must take care about that according to that merit list.
Okay.
So that he will get the admissions in that one.
Okay, great sir. As you know that tier 1 and tier 2 cities, it is possible to do this complete process for the students, but I just wanted to understand the metro 3 like and the cities like us, or they are not the district places. Sir, can our college support the students?
Yes sir, we definitely provide support for admission process because we understand that many of the students and parents, while filling the form, they are confused.
Okay.
So we provide help because we have dedicated experienced admission team with us. So they provide help to our students, starting from their registration process to selecting their college as per their career goals.
Okay, great.
Along with this, our MITCORER is having the scrutiny center.
Yes.
So within that scrutiny center, we will provide all types of the assistance to all the students.
Okay.
So for the selecting the branch, selecting the college, and all that one.
So we are providing this assistance to not only the Barshi, any student from
Any
from the
students,
Maharashtra.
and that facility we are providing.
Great. So as sir mentioned, the students other than the Barshi also they can take an advantage. The students from the Pandharpur, Solapur, Sangola, Aklus, Temburni, Latur, Udgir, any places students can visit the MITCORER campus and they can take an assistance from the MITCORER, right sir?
Along with this, we are providing this facility totally free of cost. No charge will be applicable for this one.
Okay, great sir. Now I request Pawar sir, can you share some additional insights about the placements at the MITCORER?
Yes sir. MITCORER always have higher priorities about placements. In last year, more than 50 companies visited our campus, and the packages offered by the companies are 3 lakh to 21 lakh per annum. We are proud to say our one of the student, Mr. Sachin Kolge, got 21 lakh per annum package in his 8th semester. Means his seventh semester.
Great.
So that's why we are having great placement. We are giving very great placement opportunities in MIT. Students and parents say MIT as think placement, think MITCORER.
Okay. Right.
We cannot say a single word placement. Whenever we are saying a word placement, it is come with training.
Right.
So definitely MITCORER gives a training to our students starting from their second year. We have included training and placement topic in their timetable.
Okay.
So that they will be proficient in communication skill, they will be proficient in aptitude skills, they will be proficient in technical skills, so that they will become employable and they will got a placement in a reputed companies.
Okay, great, sir. First of all, congratulate your students got an 21 LPA, and it is really good. Like, see, the Barshi is not in the metro city or it won't come and under the metro. But if we see, as sir mentioned, like the MITCORER is taking care of their preparation of the soft skill, hard skill, interviews, group discussion, everything, and that was the reason Sachin got placed in the Just Pay with an 21 LPA. So it's a great opportunity to the students who are looking for a good package as well as good academics. Now I'll have one more last questions for the both of you. Like, can you tell us like why students should take admission in MITCORER in one line?
So MITCORER stands out because we combine academic excellence with the practical exposure to prepare the students for their successful careers.
Okay, great, sir. Sir?
We can say that MITCORER always focuses to enhance the skill of our student, so student will become employable. So that's why we can, every student or parents must choose MITCORER.
Okay, fine. As you mentioned that the college comes under the, of course, the government CET process, etc. So does college gives all the scholarship facilities
Yes,
to the
sir.
students?
What will be the as per the government norms? So all the scholarships are available in our college.
Okay.
So most of the students are taking the benefits of that one.
Great.
So anyone students which is not eligible for that government scholarship, so in our colleges we are supporting the students to get the private scholarships are also available in our colleges.
Okay, great. So as we had a discussion with Professor Satish Mali sir, Professor Abhijit Pawar sir, and we got good insights about the academics at MITCORER, placements at MITCORER, admission process is going to be happen, and sir has explained really well. And also he has mentioned like that how the MITCORER is preparing for the students for the placement purpose. So if you are also the prospect of an engineering, so MITCORER is an best option, as I mentioned, because MITCORER offers mechanical, civil, not only mechanical. From this year, MITCORER is going to offer mechanical and rail engineering, as sir mentioned. Like, this is one of the first college in the Maharashtra, and already they have prepared for the regular mechanicals engineering labs as well as the railways, the railway model room as well. And as they offer the computer science and engineering, some of the students probably they are unable to get into the computer science and engineering in the metro, so they have an option of electronics and computer engineering in the MITCORER itself. Also they offers the civil and the even CSE and the ENTC as well. So these are the one of the finest branches which are regular into the engineering. The students who would love to take an admission in MITCORER, I'll request you that and even not only the students, even the parents as well, they can visit the MITCORER, discuss with these professors. You gain lots of knowledge about the MITCORER, the process, the placements, the academics, etc. So thanks all of you. Thank you, Professors Satish Mali sir, and thank you, Professor Abhijit Pawar sir, joining for today's podcast. And this podcast series will be continue. I request you to subscribe our YouTube channel, and in future also you connect with another podcast series to gain knowledge about this MITCORER and the coming admission process. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.